Hi, welcome back to Creative Edmo. Today is day 14 and I hope you are using all the vocab words that we have discussed so far. And if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's begin. So here's today's words. Soft sound produced by leaves, paper, cloth, etc. ending with E. Any guesses? Let's find out. This word can be used as a noun as well as a verb. That is, it can refer to the sound, then it's a noun, or it can mean to make that particular sound. In this case, it becomes a verb, the action. It will become more clear through the examples. So the word is R-U-S-T-L-E, rustle. Rustle means the soft sound of leaves, clothes, paper, etc. Though this meaning is common, but rustle also means to steal farm animals, cattle, etc. Okay, let's see how we can use it in sentences. The leaves rustled in the wind. The breeze rustled the leaves. Breeze means very gentle wind. Okay, in both these cases, it is the verb. Rustled is the verb over here. Okay, I could hear the gentle rustle of trees. Over here, it is the noun. You could hear that gentle sound. Her dress rustled as she walked. Over here, it is a verb. He went there to rustle cattle. Means to steal cattle, steal farm animals. Now, if we add up to the word, the meaning changes entirely. Rustle up. It means to make, find or prepare something quickly. Now, let's check out the examples. Give me a minute and I'll rustle up some eggs. That means I'll quickly make something with eggs. He managed to rustle up a couple of pillows. That is, he managed to find some pillows quite quickly. So now you know it. Go ahead and use this word confidently and impress your friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Edmo. And please do leave a comment. Thank you and have a nice day.